Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you how to deploy a Nest.js and React.js monorepo to Vercel. So if you want to know how to create a monorepo using Nest.js and React, I'm gonna leave a comment with another video that I followed to create my one. But this video will be focused on deploy to Vercel the Nest.js and React application. So let's open the project here. The first thing that you need to know is we have two um, folders here. That's the monorepo, the API, and the client. So the API is a Nest.js backend. So I don't have any repository implemented using database or something like that. I'm just using a JSON version. So I don't know exactly how it works using a database. But yeah, the client is a React Vite application. So I created that using Vite CLI. And now we have a turbo repo. So the first thing is configure the monorepo. As I said, I want teach how to implement a monorepo. I'm gonna teach how to deploy it. So the first thing that you need to know is it doesn't work in Vercel UI website. You need to do it using the Vercel CLI and using the command deploy to deploy to your account. The first thing is configure the Vercel JSON. So another important thing that you need to know is serving your application on Nest.js as a static module. So in the video that I'm gonna leave in the comment, you will see that we have a way to use the React.js on the Nest.js backend. So the first thing that you need to do is install the server static library from Nest.js, and then you can use the server stack module and pass the roof path of your front end application. It's my client and dist, and then I included this exclude prop to don't allow the front end get requests from /API. So the problem was when I was trying to request a get for the /API, I was getting a 404 because it was recognizing as a page, but it's not a page, it's a backend request. So for that reason, we need to exclude the route in order to allow the front end to request for the backend. So the first thing is it. After that, you need to go here on Vercel.json, create a Vercel.json file, and then you need to create a build using these properties. So you need to pass the apps API source main.ts and use the Vercel node to build the application, and then you need to pass the route. This is the most important thing here. So I spend a lot of time to know how to implement this. So the first thing you need to do is create a slash dot asterisk to, like, from all of the places you need to redirect to main.cs. And the key here is the app module, because we are serving the front end on the back end. So for that reason, we are redirecting all of the requests from the application to the backend, and the backend is serving the front end and the backend as well. So doing that, you just need to run the Vercel command. So using the Vercel command, you can deploy. You'll be asking for your credentials and connect your GitHub account or Vercel account in this case, and then you will be redirected to your page. And here I have a simple application that I'm setting. Sorry, I'm localhost. Let me open the Vercel version. Yeah. And then when I do a call, I'm being redirected to using the same application, the same base URL. For example, I'm gonna send a request here. If I open this, I'm gonna be redirected to the front end, but slash API and posts and one. That's the request I'm doing here in this case. So to be more concise, you just are redirecting your backend application to run your front-end application as static, and then it will be redirect your front-end and back-end application. So I hope it can help you. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next one.